Call it grassroots or a campaign or a coalition. This is a group of people responding to an urgent situation. They tend to use social media and group text to stay nimble in their communications, publicity, and actions. Grant funders, on the other hand, tend to be highly structured and follow an inflexible schedule to award grant dollars. But there is one way for grassroots organizations to receive grant support: a fiscal agent. What is that? Stay with me through this video as I quickly define this process and end with a bonus list of 5 other fundraising options for grassroots organizations. The fiscal agent is a legally established nonprofit that has been in operation for at least a few years, has a board of directors, a strategic plan, and financial accounting practices in place. The grassroots organization and the fiscal agent each have 3 specific roles in this relationship. First, sign an agreement. Second, manage grant dollars. And third, complete progress reports. Here's a sample collaboration. A grassroots group has formed to meet the critical health needs of a certain population in a collection of city neighborhoods. The group collaborates with a healthcare nonprofit located in the area. The nonprofit becomes the fiscal agent and applies for a grant that targets healthcare for this particular community. The grassroots group connects the nonprofit health service to the neighborhoods in great need of this help. Maybe they make deliveries, drive patients to a clinic, speak to the community to encourage participation, etc. How can your grassroots organization find a fiscal agent? Ideally, the nonprofit and the grassroots organization should share a similar mission and geographic service area. There are 2 comprehensive directories of charities and nonprofits, and both are linked in the description below. 1. GuideStar. Sign up for a free account to access detailed information that can help your grassroots organization find and collaborate with a charity. 2. United Way Worldwide has an online search tool for their nearest offices. They can connect you to their network of nonprofit organizations. And here is the bonus tip that I promised at the start of the video, to share 5 other ways to raise funds outside of grants across the globe. Crowdfunding, donation drive, become a local affiliate or chapter of a larger organization, partner with people who combine business and social issues, aka social entrepreneurs, and donor-advised funds, which are a very popular giving tool in the U.S. for individuals or families to build an investment portfolio and donate the profits. Linked below are websites for grassroots organizations in the U.S. and across the globe to potentially receive donations from these funds. So that is the fiscal agent process. Grants are not nimble in the way that grassroots organizations are, but they can help a dedicated group of people advance a cause that might have otherwise taken years to complete. I'm Tiffany, and thank you for watching Grant Chatter. See you in the next video.